next question. If someone has a job that is a long commute, is it okay to pray Minchah with no Minyan?
I mean, if there is no choice, yeah, especially in the winter. In the winter, the mincha is the time range for the mincha is very short, like only 3 or 4 hours. So in summer it's 6 hours, 7 hours, like a lot, right? So like I see by my minyan, right? When it was like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8, whatever o'clock it was, like I don't know, 20, 25, 30 people. Right? No problem. But now it's 12, 15 tabs because people from different shul comes, like because they don't have minyan, because it's 4:15. You understand? Not everybody can make to 4:15. It's obvious that these people they pray their job. I mean, what can they do? They're not going to get home before that time. And for many people there is no like minyan. I'm not sure where they work, but I assume. So some people have their job minyan district.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.